Hey folks, in one of my last videos, I gave you an unbiased review of two of the leading players in the education loan market, Avans and Axis Bank. Today, I am going to review another key player in the education loan market, that is Auxilo. I will be breaking down the benefits, drawbacks and unique features of Auxilo's education loans to help you determine if this lender is the right fit for you or not. Auxilo is a relatively new but growing non-banking financial company focused on providing customized education loans. They offer loans both with and without collateral. Auxilo can lend up to 1 crore if the borrower pledges collateral against the loan amount, whereas for loans without collateral, they can provide up to 70 lakhs whether you are planning to study in India or abroad. The interest rate starts at 11.5% per annum for non-collateral loan and 10.5% for collateral-based loans. One of the standout features of Auxilo is its loan coverage for both undergrad and postgrad studies, including niche and specialized courses that might not be covered by traditional lenders. Now, let us take a closer look at the benefits of taking an education loan from Auxilo. Starting with the first major benefit, customized loan solution. Auxilo prides itself on offering loans that are tailored to the specific needs of each student. Whether you need funds for tuition accommodation, travel, or even purchasing a laptop, Auxilo can structure the loan to cover unique expenses. This level of customization ensures that you are not over-borrowing or under-borrowing, giving you exactly what you need for your educational journey. Next, Auxilo offers flexibility to co-applicants. Unlike many lenders that strictly require a parent or sibling as a co-applicant, Auxilo allows a broader range of co-applicants, including maternal and paternal relatives. They also consider spouses and even in-laws depending on the profile of the student. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial if your immediate family does not have a strong credit profile, allowing you to secure a loan with the help of other close relatives. Another significant advantage is Auxilo's quick and easy loan disbursement process. Once all the required documents are submitted, the loan can be disbursed within 72 hours. This is particularly advantageous for students who need to make last-minute payment to secure their admission or visa. Hey, there is another cool fact about Auxilo education loans. They offer flexible repayment options such as partial simple interest. Well, this repayment option, students have to pay some amount of their simple interest only during their course of study. This amount is known as partial simple interest. The partial simple interest repayment option reduces the repayment burden for students during their course period. The leftover amount of the simple interest is added to the principal amount. The fourth benefit is the pre-visa disbursement feature. If you are planning to study abroad, Auxilo can disburse the loan amount before you receive your student visa, provided you meet their eligibility criteria. This feature can be a lifesaver if you are facing tight timelines to show proof of funds during the visa application process. While Auxilo offers several advantages, there are also some drawbacks that you should consider. The first disadvantage is the higher processing fee, which ranges from 1% to 1.5% of the loan amount. This is relatively higher compared to other lenders in the market, which could add to your initial cost when securing the loan. Another drawback is that Auxilo's interest rates are generally on the higher side, starting at 11% and potentially can go up to 14%. This can significantly increases the overall cost of loan, especially if you opt for a longer repayment period. While Auxilo offers various benefits, this higher interest rate might make the loan more expensive over time, especially when compared to traditional banks or other NBFCs. Additionally, Auxilo's loans are not covered under Section 80E of Income Tax Act. This means that you won't be able to claim a tax deduction on the interest paid, which can be a significant financial relief for many borrowers and their parents. The absence of this benefit could make Auxilo's loan less attractive for those looking to minimize their tax liability during the repayment period. So, is Auxilo the right choice for your education loan? The final answer depends on what matters the most to you. If you are looking for a lender that provides tailored loan options and quick disbursement, and you are okay with higher costs, Auxilo could be a great fit for you. On the other hand, if you are highly sensitive to interest rate, tax benefits, you might want to explore other options. I hope this review has given you a clear understanding of what Auxilo has to offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other students who are exploring education loan options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Gyan. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.